Very good. So today we are going to study, in fact, we are left with two blocks only, block 4 and block 5. Block 5 is on profile making, portfolio. So that we will take up in the last class. Today, this is block 4, which is on interactive delivery methods. And it has a lot of technology tools. So what I'm thinking that I will cover half today and half tomorrow, because I want to show you the real sites which are there. So this block has again 5 units. Uh, uh, one unit is about email, mailing list, discussion group, RSS feeds, etc. And then next unit is on web 2. In fact, since the content was written long back many years ago, nowadays it is the era of web 3. So, and web 3 means, when I say web 3, you can immediately understand it like this is the era of blockchain technology and NFTs, the non-fungible tokens, we call them as. They are very popular. All the film stars, all the celebrities, they have started their own NFT, and they are making a lot of money. So that is there. Then next unit is on virtual classroom and virtual reality, which is very interesting. Then the next unit 19th is on reusable learning objects. And the last unit is on learning management system. In IGNOU, we use Moodle. So I'll give you a demonstration of how the Moodle is used. So perhaps we can take them tomorrow, because today I want to show some other tools. Uh, this block will help you to identify content delivery tools on the web, using such tools with the help of which the content is delivered on the internet. And then the different tools, their advantages, limitations, and how these things they are uh, bringing out different models of teaching and learning. We will have a look at them, and then how these tools they can be used for teaching and learning. So this is how it is used. So the first thing is that means what are various interactive delivery methods for teaching and learning, which are available, means which are online, which we can use using in power of internet or web-based things from there. One advantage of these things is that, like right now, we are connected using Google Meet. So they, the best advantage is that they allow accessibility in educational settings to those. Otherwise, means it will become difficult if we all are supposed to meet at a common place, and you never know who will be traveling from how far distance. So that's a big challenge with that. So these tools, they have been found to enhance engagement, interactivity, increase the accessibility, something like that. So there are various tools. Let me start sharing my screen.
Okay.
And then here. Okay, so first of all, we will go with learning management systems. There are various learning management systems which provide a comprehensive infrastructure for delivering educational content, and we call them as learning management system. Learning management system. So as you can see, it is a software application for the administration, documentation, tracking, reporting, automation, and delivery of educational courses or training programs or materials or learning, and for development programs. So these are the things. So what they offer? They offer various features for the teachers as well as for the students, for course management, assignment submission, discussion forums, grade tracking, etc. All those things they are offered using these learning management systems with that. Now, if we go with learning management system, I try to classify them into three groups. So some are free learning management systems, some are open source, and some are proprietary proprietary softwares. First of all, difference between these three categories. A proprietary software is that which is subscribed, or we pay for these services to use them. That is proprietary. Free softwares are those you don't pay, we just use it. Like you use Google Map. You don't pay for Google Map, although you will be paying for your data, means internet charges, those things they come with that. But otherwise, for the cost of software, we do not pay. Those are the free. There is another category. Most of the time, you must have seen, it's heard it. It is called as freemium. So freemium are those softwares that initially they are free with some trial period, 1 week, 2 weeks, something like that, and then later on, then they will ask you to subscribe. So it is a combination of free plus premium. We call them as freemium softwares. And open source software are those of which the code is available. You can download the code and then modify it. So there are various softwares. Means like you must have heard about the Java programming language. Or okay, I think I can go here so that you can see Java. So Java, this one is, it is a high-level class-based object-oriented programming language. Uh, we use it. Similarly, the Linux operating system. This is also means open source. Here you can see it is a Unix-like open source community developed operating system for computer servers, mainframes, mobile devices, and embedded devices. These are called as open source because you can download them from the internet and then you can modify them according to your need. So the package is there. It's sometimes we want it to be modified suiting to our special requirements. They are called. So these three varieties are there: free, open source, and proprietary. So for learning management systems, let us see some of the examples which we normally use. So for first of all, we will go with the say like Blackboard or proprietary softwares, and here the LCK, the Blackboard LMS. This is called as Blackboard learning management system, and this is very good, very popular learning management system on a global scale. It offers a comprehensive suite of tools for course management, content delivery, assessment, collaboration, and like that. So, but this is, we need to, you know, and you can see here almost all in India on the various prominent languages of the world. It serves them. From here you can see those. So this is very good. And for just for trial purpose, if you want, you can use it from here. Okay, let me keep sharing these links. Otherwise, you can type here. This is the URL for this one. So this is Blackboard learning management system. You can say advance the education experience with an LMS that inspires a love of learning, drives excellence, etc. So this is how it looks, and it offers so many things for the students. Means it is used for educational purpose, business purpose, training programs, development programs, lot of things. Among the top rated learning management systems, it is there. The another one is the Bright Space learning management system. So desire to learn, that is the company, D2L. It is the full form of D2L is desire to learn. So that is there. So here it says that it has something for everyone. We can tailor it to your specific need, but then get so that can be. And here get started for free. There are something. It offers various products and offers solutions for, you can see here the areas. It serves primary education, then higher education, corporate sector, associations, public sector, like that. In the primary education sector, you see it serves for blended learning, virtual learning, professional learning. For higher education, blended learning, competence-based education, continuing education, professional development. Similarly, for corporate sector, by need, either it is used for customer training, employee training, or partner. And even you see a long list of industry where it is being used in healthcare, in manufacturing, non-profit organizations, oil and gas industry, retail industry, technology or software industry, like that. It means there are huge application areas where this is. So it is a proprietary learning management system, which is basically used in primary education, higher education, corporate, and it provides the features for content creation, assessment, discussion, and analytics. The company says that our more focus is on user experience and accessibility. So that way, even in here you can see high contrast, which is a accessibility feature. Those people with some special needs, if they can, you can see, you can click on it, and here it will turn it into high contrast. So the things sometimes they become more visible, and it is normal one. So you see the strip in the request a demo. At present it is orange color. If I click on here, it turns little darker. The get started for free is dark green, and if I click on it, becomes light green. So these are some features, accessibility features, which are in that. Another learning management system, I think it is Tara LMS. So the website here. This is also used in industry. So you can see flexible talent development software shaped by Totara combines skills and performance development to create lasting employee success. And here it offers you so many, you can see from here, again, something like desire to learn bright space. So it serves healthcare sector, retail sector, government, technology and media, financial, hospitality, sports, business, education, training, so many things. And it serves the purpose of either talent experience, automations, compliance training, culture of coaching, onboarding, enterprise learning, like that. And they have this Totara mobile as well. So for mobile, and then it serves various platforms for engagement, for learning, like that. So these are certain good softwares which are available to you. Then there are certain examples of open source learning management systems. Okay. The best one is Noodle. So this is my university Noodle, and we have many, almost all our courses are on this. And this is customized. We put our own images, and that's why I told you that because it is open source, so you can customize it. We have customized it as per our needs. So these are many courses. You can see that here, those courses which we created for students. You simply click on a course and you can go inside that course. For the students, they can, which course in which they are enrolled, they can access all the content material. So this is the home page. If you go on that, we have another site. It is lms.md. This blue color one is the updated one because the software has upgraded. So it gives you the information like this. And these are some of the courses which are mounted on this platform. This is all open source. So let me show you the website, noodle.org. This is the website of this company, and you can see here nearly 4 crore courses are there, so many websites, more than 200 countries, they are using this open source. And by going to download button, you can download the software. And this is so powerful that even it can be installed on your pen drive. So you can install it on your laptop, on your desktop, on your servers, anywhere it can be installed. It is released under GPL license, which is the, in a way, GNU, means open source license, you can call it. Yeah. So, and you can see Moodle mobile app. It is very powerful. And then from here, you can get the latest release of it. So this is one open source. There is another Sakai, Sky. You can see Sky is 100% open source. So this is the website. It is great for learning. It helps instructors to create inspiring learning experiences. Teachers and students love Sky. It innovates constantly to advance education technology. You can see the mobile version as well as the laptop or desktop version. And it is created by educators for educators, like that. It got a prize also for gold medal for software reviews due to its good features. I have a friend in South Africa. Their university uses this Sakai learning management system. Similarly, we have JOOMLA Joomla learning management system. You can see here the learning management system to build your business on, and you can try it for free. And here are the features. And most of the means here it serves various things. So user management is there, tracking of the progress is there. There are learning tools. It helps in e-commerce things like payment, those things, mobiles, and integration with other things. Means other applications that can also be. It is allowed in there. That can be done from there. Okay, just a minute. गुड मॉर्निंग सर। हाँ जी, मैं आ गया सर, और अभी मेरी एक वो इग्नू की क्लास चल रही है, तो मैं आपको 1 बजे के बाद कॉल करूँ। हाँ, मैं जी 1 बजे तक है मेरी क्लास, उसके बाद कॉल करता हूँ आपको। 1 PM 1 बजे। जी हाँ जी। So this is Joomla, and there is one more. It is called as Ilias, ILIAS LMS. So you can see here, it is an open source web-based learning management system. It supports learning content management tools for collaboration. Software is published under GNU General Public License, same as Noodle. And you can see, so these are free tools. It means you can just get them. And here you see open source learning management system. So get started, development, community. Around 1998, it is a powerful system that fulfills all your requirements. So whether you have a small business, large business, university, school, public authorities, everyone can create learning scenarios using this software. You can see here for higher education, business, school, public authorities, everybody uses them. So simply you download it from here and try it on your own server. That's a great thing which can be used in from here. Okay, and then there are certain softwares which we call them as free learning management systems. And in free, the most easiest is Google Classroom. You have your Gmail ID, it comes with that. So this is the, and it is the super easy. इसके अंदर है ही कुछ नहीं, 4 पेज होते हैं केवल, where you upload your content and then give assignments to the students, ask them to log in. I think let me show it to you how it looks. So like these were the classes which I might have created sometimes back, and you click on it. So you can create an announcement for the students, and here it is the message. Then she is a teacher actually in Delhi University, Atika. So she is posting a message for the students. Culture meeting hai, and this is the link. You can, it means you can see here. 3 years ago we created this course. So this is how. Means here is the announcement for the students. We have posted the assignment. Then this is for final assessment. These are the messages. Again, instruction for the students. It goes like that. This is quite easy. Then here is the classwork. Classwork means the content, any kind of thing. So here you can see the practical assignment, doubt clearing sessions, internal assessment test, all kind of assessments, emotional well-being, card printing, welcome note, nucleic and carriers of, this is a biology course. So structure of DNA, replication of DNA, है ना, ये देखो पूरा साइंस, आर्ट्स, हिस्ट्री, humanities, management, all kind of course materials it can be added. Then as a teacher you can see all the students in your class, those who are there, and then when they submit their assignments, their marks are also reflected, all these things. So out of what, how many these students, this is their assessment scores. If they have not submitted, the missing will come, not assignments, they were not given that work. Those who have submitted their marks, like out of 50, 40 marks were given to this student, but the student submitted late assignment, and here they resubmitted. So this is quite interesting and a simple kind of tool which is being used by teachers mostly. Then when I was in Malaysia, there the university tried to use it. It is called as Neo LMS. It's a very simple but not that popular. It's a free platform. So here it is a more learning platform for learning and development professionals like HR leaders, trainers, admins, managers in businesses, upskilling for employee performance, trainer productivity, etc. like that. that is used. So these are various features of it, where you have this, our mobile app, user-friendly platform, they say, and these are these companies where they are using it. Financial institutions, trending publishers, they are using it, and like that. Uh, the popular one is this one, Schoology, Schoology, Schoology. This is mostly in Americas, and for uh, school education, primary education, secondary education, like that, they use it very much. So here you can see more than 60,000 schools, 20 million users, and 7 million students globally. They use this software platform. So this is one learning management system, most comprehensive for teaching learning. You can prepare interactive content, connect your student information system and learning management system, so that admissions and assessments, they can be very well integrated into it. These are some of the testimonials from the people who have used it. They have also got some awards. So these are the tools which are. So the important thing is that, as I said, we can categorize the learning management systems into proprietary, open source, or free. आप लोगों को मैं एक और दिखाता हूँ, जो मेरी एक कोलीग ने, जब हम मलेशिया में थे, तो उन्होंने एक सिंगापुर की कंपनी को ज्वाइन किया था, that is called as Jill Learn. This is very interesting learning management system as compared to others, because it creates a skill gap. If we want to learn anything, and then here it is skills-based learning for career growth in ever-changing market. So here it says you analyze your skills. It will ask you to log in. Perhaps you need to create. Yes, I need to log into my account, which is on my another machine. It is saved. But then here it will ask you that you can. It gives you the analytics of your skills, and you can see here 57,000 courses. This platform offers you 3 million global job postings and 17,000 skill gaps. The people, they can use it. So this is quite interesting, and it is free platform. You can use it. You can create your ID and you can use it. You can create your own online courses as well. So if you are an expert of something, you just simply click on sign up, and after that you can create your own courses. So this is a good thing about this platform, that how the means the people, they can make use of these things. So this is one. Then the next tool which is used for education delivery are the video conferencing tools. Like we are connected using Google Meet now. So you must be knowing about Zoom. In fact, Zoom is much more powerful than, and there is difference. Google Meet is free. You have your Gmail ID, and there is no time limitation into it. Only 100 participants, they can join in the free version if you have. And in the free version, there is no recording facility in Google Meet. Like we are connecting. But in IGNU, there is a special provision. So that's why our friend Mohanji, he is able to record. And then in Google Meet, there is this interesting feature. It is called as captions on. So now what I am speaking, it will be typing it. So like if I say that the learning management systems like Noodle, Canvas, Blackboard provide a comprehensive infrastructure for delivering educational content. They offer features such as course management, assignment submission, discussion forums, and grade tracking. Similarly, there are video conferencing tools, platforms like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and Google Meet, which enable real-time interaction between instructors and students. They allow for live lectures, virtual classrooms, collaborative discussions through video, audio, and chat functions. And you can see here that there is no spelling mistake into it. Whatever you are speaking, it will correctly keep on typing. The only limitation is that you cannot save it. This transcription cannot be downloaded, but it is very good feature for accessibility issue. You know, those students who are little hearing challenged, no, when the speaker is speaking, they can see it on the screen and can read it that what is being said. So this is a very good feature of Google Meet, and it allows you, okay, for language selection as well. Here it is English, and then you can select say like let me see, Hindi, it is there. Thailand, Turkish, Vietnamese. Okay, we need to uh, integrate Dutch, French, German, Indonesian, Japanese, Poland. I think we need to get activated that. It is only the international version which is there. So if you want to use it, then it is translated captions. So you need to activate it and translate to. So we can, let me see. Oh, it is not there. But Piali, do you know any of these languages? German, French, Japanese? Let us see. If we speak in, we try change it to French, and okay. So the translated caption has been turned on French. And what I say now on your screen, you can see that it is translating it into French. So this is an interesting feature for having a conference with your international friends, that you are speaking in English and it is translating it into French from here. So this is how these tools, they help you. And simply to close it, you just turn off it and then it is over there. So this is a very good feature of Google Meet. And then you can save the recording, like RC Chandigarh is recording this session. Once this session is over, it will be saved in their Google Drive, and from here it can be uploaded to YouTube, or it can be shared as a Google Drive link, and then can go. This Zoom is also another very powerful software. In fact, it has much more functions as compared to other web conferencing tools. And the good thing is that it allows you up to 40 minutes of uh, Zoom means conferencing free of cost, in which 100 participants, you can see here the free version, up to 40 minutes, 100 participants, whiteboard, team chat, mail, calendar, etc. Then, so if you are going to have a meeting, the automatic recording, because in Google Meet, this is the Google Meet of each university. That's why he is able to record it. But if you are using your own personal Gmail ID, you won't be able to record the session. That is the issue with Google Meet. But in Zoom, you all the versions which are free or paid, they allow you to record the session. Then another popular is MS Teams. So this is MS Teams. But this is, for this you need to have access to Microsoft 365, or you need to have a Microsoft account. Only then you can use it. But if you create a class using that, so our attendees, they don't need to, they can simply click on it. So it won't ask, means only from the teacher end that needs to be used from there. Then there are another interesting examples of web conferencing tools. Let me show you some of them. That what tools I think there is this. I don't know how many are, whether it is, but during those times when lockdown was there, and there was a anti-Chinese sentiment going on across India. At that time, this our own Indian product in the name of that. It was released by Reliance Industries, GeoMeet. So you can see here, you can start a meeting, you can join a meeting, you can plan a meeting. It is something like your own uh, alternative to Zoom or those web conferencing tools there. And then there is one open source. It is called as Jitsi Meet. This is open source equivalent. You can simply, and no account is needed. The other softwares, they ask you to create a login, but here you simply give the name of your meeting, like if we say IGNU type, and then we can uh, uh, click on start meeting, and then you can join in that meeting by sharing the code. So it's super easy in that. Okay, this is there. And yes, there is another open source tool which is called as Big Blue Button. It's a purpose-built virtual classroom that empowers teachers to teach and learners to learn. So this is Big Blue Button. This is also very easy to use it. You can install it, you can download, and then designed for around schools and teachers, global. This is well powerful and being used globally by many people. You can see here K-12, higher education, government sector, many, there are examples of using this. So these are called as the web conferencing tools, which we use uh, for delivering the content online. Then the another variety is called as we call them as webinars and webcasts. Okay, let me type it here. Webinars and webcasts. So these are those platforms where we can facilitate online seminar, workshop, presentation, because they offer feature for screen sharing, polling, question answer sessions, participant engagement, and like those. And let me show you some of the examples of these. There is one Cisco WebEx, WEBEX. Cisco WebEx and Zoom, they are the best one. I have used many of them, and I found that Cisco WebEx and Zoom, they are the top rated according to me. As a here you can see sign up, it is free. The good point about Cisco WebEx is that Zoom gives you 40 minutes of free meeting, but in Zoom in Cisco WebEx, 2 years ago I organized an international conference for 3 hours, and there was no problem in recording and using that. So here for this, there is another platform. It is called as Go to Webinar. So this is Go to Webinar software. And see here, it is saying hassle-free webinar software for remote employee training to hybrid all hands pre-recorded product demo to multi-day conferences. Go to Webinar makes events easy. So that is how this is. Safety, simplicity. Up to 3,000 attendees can join. 3,000. See, no downloads required. Directly use the browser. Because in Google Meet, we can have up to 100 in free version. In Zoom, it is giving you there, but here it is giving you 3,000. So that's the power of this software. And then the another example is Adobe Connect, ADOBE, Adobe Connect. This is also very powerful software. You can say for virtual experience, enhancing audio, video, and since this is a Adobe product, it's multimedia and other things. They are very powerful. You can see interactive storyboards with customized layouts, real experiences like that. They have their own unique USP. Do you know what is full form of USP? When we say USP, USP. Really, any idea about USP? Shivdasan ji? It is called as unique selling point. That is called as USP. Is the feature, the main power of what of a software can offer. So these are the tools which are used for.
Sir, I had someone at the door. I missed your conversation for a moment.
Acha.
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. I was asking about the full form of USP.
Oh, unique
Yeah.
selling point. Okay.
Yes. Yeah. Okay. So the next is the kind of tool which we use in interactive presentations. Interactive presentations tools. Some of the examples of this one, I don't know if you have ever used this or not, but this is very popular. It is called as Prezi software. बहुत बढ़िया. It makes wonderful presentations. I suggest that it's a substitute for your Microsoft PPT. And you can see here it is free for
Is it
students.
free, sir? Is it
Ah,
free?
yes,
Okay.
yes. The basic version is free. If you go to pricing, you can say for basic, so it is free. You can create up to 5 and then you can delete and then you can use it. But this is let us see some of the examples if they have on their website. Products, tools. Like here you see Prezi presentation. The kind of navigation it creates, it is really wonderful. Zoom in, zoom out, it is taking that way. And then you can create a video remotely using Zoom, WebEx, Google Meet, and many other things. So this way, and then the Prezi design that can also be used. So here you see interactive designs, big visual. So you can download a graphic into it, change the color, change the background, add a graph, change your data, those things they can do. This is really, I have used it in many. Uh, it is much more impactful than you can do everything in Microsoft PPT also. I'm not saying that Microsoft PowerPoint presentation is a weak product, but there we have to design everything. Here it offers you the pre-built templates in which you can just put your things into that. So this is Prezi. Okay, let me share this link so that you can simply copy it on your machine. Then another interesting tool is HAIKU, Haiku Deck. Have you ever heard of this software?
No,
Haiku Deck?
the name is very fancy.
Yes.
It sounds like an African.
We never know, we can find.
Haiku deck.
Sometimes it may be in the About Us. Let us see where is About Us. Our story. Okay. So,
Japanese.
yeah, Haiku Deck. We decided it was high time. So, okay. So this is how our philosophy, our story. So we offer interviews like in person, via phone, Skype, etc. And we found that recently this. We are a small team located in the heart of Seattle. They have their office there. Haiku team. So for teachers, presentations for teaching and learning, you can get started. You can use free trial. And let us see this video. So this is how you make your presentations. And then it has a gallery as well, in which you can find from here the examples of the ready-made available things to you. So it is loading. You can see all these templates. See digital footprint. If you want to make a presentation on that, our story online for management 101, 10 ways, what is creativity, and these are the templates. Recipe template, killer speech template. These are the business, real estate, education case studies, audio narration. Like so, if we go to education case studies, so these are there. If you want to go to say like hummingbird facts, and it is here. We can download, or we can go all live, and we can make changes in the slide text. See the high quality of graphics which are there. So this is how a haiku deck you can use it. And then the most simple one, we everybody has access to it. We call them as Google Slides. Google Slides are very powerful. I regularly use them. The advantage of using Google Slide is that you can integrate many things into it. Say, and for using Google Slide, it is very easy. You need to go to your Google Drive. I'm opening my Google Drive, and then you need to say click on new. Either you can create a new folder, and then here Google Slides. So you can click on and go with a blank presentation. The advantage of Google Slides is that it is online, and you can take the power of many online things here. So I can say test, and this is the first slide. I can type IGNU and subtitle Chandigarh. Now you click on plus icon and then add new. Now, so there are good things about it. In this side, it has themes. So if I can select this theme, it will change. Or there are so many themes, pre-based templates. So here, this one is the template it offers me. I can use this one. Whatever is the choice. And then See, these are, I like these things. Say, change the background color. You simply click on it and change the background color if you want to this color. Okay, so the background color will be changed. And not only that, background, it also allows you to choose image for the background. And you can go Google Images. You can search, say, like leaf. You select anyone and click on insert. So this will be inserted in the background, like depending on that template. So the good thing is that then you can have your, and then so many things you can insert all these things, audio, video. About video, there is a wonderful thing. It is asking you to search. So here again, if I type leaf, so say leaf art, it will show me some videos. So if I find, okay, this one and insert, it will insert the YouTube video directly in my here, and I can make a control. So when you make a slideshow of it, say for example, if I go to first slide, make a slideshow, this how, and then here is the video which will run automatically. So everything is online. So this is a good example of I regularly use them because they stay in my Google Drive, and I can share. I can if I click on share button, it present it is private to me only. Then I can just give the link to the organizers that in case something happen, then you can use this link upon there. So that is the, then another tool which we regularly use are called as online whiteboards. So they are called as online whiteboards. We call them. Like this is a whiteboard which is used, but then our own Google Meet also offers you. So if you click on these three dots, you can see on the top, open a Jamboard. This is a whiteboard. So you click on it and then start a new whiteboard. It is creating a Jamboard for you. And then using various tools which will appear on the left here. So this is pen, and you can select the color. So you can write something using it. If you want to erase it, you can erase. Here is the pointer. If you want to text typing something, sticky notes, hello, and save. So that will be added. And similarly, we can insert an image. So you can go to Google Photos and or album. You can search for Google Images like leaf and select any leaf, insert. So that will be inserted in it. So this is how you can make it. And if you click on share, at present it is private to me. So I can make it open with anyone with a link. Oh, okay, let me make you editor. Editor. Okay, the link done. And here, where is our chat? So Kelly and Shivdasanji, please click on this last link, the last one, and you can also write something or add some content on this Jamboard. Then I can set the background. I can change the background, say like I can have this background. I can use this background or checkered like this. When you join, it will show
Sir,
me
what to do, sir? I haven't followed, sir.
this last link which I have posted at 12:13 p.m. Please click on
Okay.
it and you will be joining me on this whiteboard. And there, try to add any image or try to write something using the pen. Yes, one of you have joined and it is showing you your name as Hedgehog. I don't know if it is PLE or Sivdarshan.
It's me, sir.
Okay, very good. Now you can click on, say, like sticky note below the arrowhead, and then it will create, and then you can write something, or you can type using freehand. Even you can create a text box, and in which you can simply type something. So these are called as online whiteboards. They are very useful for teachers teaching online. If you have your writing tablet, then you can draw diagrams, write formula for mathematics teaching. This is very good because then you can, yes, on this sticky note you can write a message. So this way, now you see you have the access to the online whiteboard. So they provide a virtual space for collaborative. We can do the brainstorming, concept mapping, visual presentation, and they allow real-time collaboration and integration of various media types. Because I can insert an image, I can insert a video here, other things that can be done using that. So this is how this one works. There is another powerful whiteboard. It is called as Miro. This is visual platform for every team. And this is much more powerful than this Google's Jamboard. You need to sign up and it is free. Try it with your students. Here you can see all kind of these flow charts, image creation, and etc. They can be created. It's very, very useful. See, all these companies work together wherever you are. Connect your tools, close your tabs, the way we work. And here it is showing you for brainstorming how it is being used. So all the idea. Basically something like that, you can type your idea here. Similarly, you can use for this Miro.com. Let me share this URL for you. This is called as Miro platform.
Sir, can you teach the laser thing?
Yes, certainly. This is very interesting. This is if you are, say, showing something, then it will disappear. So it goes like if I'm saying that, okay, here is the leaf, and then so it doesn't occupy. But if you are using pen, whatever you write with pen, it will stay there. So sometimes if you want to highlight something but doesn't want the screen to get cluttered, then we use this laser. So you select it and then you keep on pointing, and as soon as you stop, it will disappear. So this is a temporary marker on the screen.
Okay.
And then you can click on this upper top create a frame. Since you are logged in, please click on this upper arrow, the right forwarding arrow key. You will be creating a new frame for us. On the, do you see on the top one by one, and then this is a
Ah.
yes. Now we have the two frames, and we can go here. We can select 1 and second. So if we select second, then we can go with that, and you can make a duplicate of it, or you can delete it by yes. So you have very good that you have set the background. This is how, this is very useful for online teaching. If you have your writing tablet, then you can write things using that. And this is good for, say, like writing equations, teaching mathematics, or even simply drawing something.
I'm just trying to upload an image.
Yes. There are various options. You can upload it from your computer. You can search it
Yeah, that's
online.
why I uploaded from my computer.
Yes, that works very well.
I'm just sure that if I have to show the laser I'm using,
Mm.
uh, why is it
Sim-
red? So why is
Simply,
it red?
uh, by default, it is there, but there was one option we can change the color, and I think where is that? Yes, this is when you click on the pen, you can see the thickness. You can use it as a highlighter or others marker, and then you can choose the ink also. Which one do you like? Say, like, you select yellow, and then if I select, say, highlighter, so whatever we'll do, it will be as a highlighter into it. So that is the laser. Mostly you see the laser is red, because the red color has the highest visibility. That's why all the danger signs, or the flashlight on the police vehicle, or the sirens, they are in the red. Yellow has the lowest visibility. So if you see the at the back of the car, the tail lights, they have these two things, yellow and red. When you apply your brake, the red light turns on. Okay, but during fog, it is the yellow thing which, hello, सामने वाजे, हाँ ऊपर आ जाओ, ये 400 को, हाँ वो बोल दो उनको, नो, हाँ बेटा इनको ऊपर आने दो, ये हमारा चीज देखने वाला है, थैंक यू. So this is how we use it. Okay, any question related to it?
No, perfectly fine.
Okay,
Thank you, sir.
very good. So then the next tool which we use are, we call them as screencasting or lecture capturing tools. And there are various free tools for screen capturing. With Google, you use Screencastify, which is available to you for as a your Chrome extension. You can read it here. It is the leading screen recorder for Chrome. You can install and to record, edit, and share videos in seconds. This is very easy to use it. Simply go to Screencastify, and you need to log in using your account. So first you need to log in and then start. It is very easy. It can record your screen, what is happening, or your video. It will activate your camera,
What is
and
the
then
purpose of this?
this is used for training purposes. If you are some explanatory video for your audience,
Mm-hmm.
then and which is happening, like if when I was demonstrating this whiteboard to you, and if I
Right.
wanted to save it, so that way we can use this screen. This is free platform. Like Abhi Mohanji is using a recording for our session. It is
Right.
being recorded. This is the free application in which it will have your browser or only your webcam, in which your picture will come and you keep on speaking. Like if you are reading news items on a news means channel something. Or desktop means what is happening on the desktop, that is recorded. This is a free software which you can use it. Then another open source software which is very powerful globally, it is called as Open Broadcasting. It is free and open source tool. It's very powerful. Many people use it. The only thing is that, and you can see here, it is for Windows, Macintosh systems, and Linux systems. It's a video recording and live streaming. They use it. The thing is that there is a little learning curve in it, but it offers many features into it. You can see
Does
this
this
is the,
whole module require high-end application laptops or computers?
no, for this normal laptop will work. It doesn't require much memory or puts more pressure on the system. And you can see all this YouTube, Logitech, Twitch, Facebook, Nvidia, etc. There they use it. These are the features. So it can use a real-time video audio capturing and mixing. And even many
Yes.
people they use OBS for live streaming. Like I can configure this my class right now, which we are conducting, and it can go on internet as a live broadcast. That's why its name is Open
So that's
Broadcasting
live
Software.
streaming? Is it live streaming?
Yes, that is live streaming. You need to download it and then use it. Open Broadcaster Software. This is the name, OBS, full form of OBS. And it is free, open source. You don't need to pay anything. And the latest release was released on just see 10 days ago, 19th June. The latest version has been released there. Then there are two commercial products which are very good, but we need to purchase them. One is Camtasia. So this is Camtasia. This is also professional, very powerful, offers many features. You can see the price here.
My
This
God.
is a paid software. Yeah. But those who are commercial users, they use it. And another Panopto. Panopto. This also is a very powerful platform which is used.
So these all are not there in the text that is there because these are all high-end now, the latest development technology.
Yeah, that's why I'm trying to show you both versions, the free version as well as the paid version. Means in your examination, if they mention, you can mention both of them
Okay.
if it comes. Okay, then next thing which is used for here are the tools for online assessment, and these are very good. You can use it for kids at home or something. One, the free version is Kahoot. This is very popular among the school children. It is a free game-based learning platform that makes it fun to learn any subject in any language on any device. So this is the website. You need to create your ID on it. Okay, it is asking me, you can here say it is asking that create your own Kahoot for free at kahoot.com. But when to play, it will simply ask a pin, which as a teacher you will create, and all the students in your class here you can create. So it is very popular. Many people use it. Here see कितना हो गया ये
My God.
100 crore पता नहीं कितना है. Then players in more than 200, and it is online. more than 50 million public games they are available, and 97% of Fortune 500 they use Kahoot. You can say more than 50% of United States teacher use Kahoot. So this is one software which you can use, and let me share its URL. And there is another one. It is called as Quizlet. So here, learning tool, flashcard, textbook solutions, the best digital flashcards and study tools. 60 million students using Quizlet, science-backed flashcard, practice test, etc., etc. And you can see subjects, all subjects. For examinations, IELTS, TOEFL, art and humanities, philosophy, history, film, language, Spanish, mathematics, science, social science, and then others like computer skills, etc. Whatever you want to use it, you can use it. So you can create something. You need to create your sign up, and after that you can create your own quizzes. Say, and they say that 90% of our students who use it, they receive higher grades, because testing yourself with flashcard is more effective than rereading your notes. From mathematics to medicine to modern language, it is used by students in over 100 different subjects. This is how the flashcards they are used in that. And similarly, another like freely available to you for online assessment is Google Quiz or Google Form. This is the most simple one. It is a free web-based Google document, and you can use it for gathering data, conducting examination, and like that. Many institutions. In fact, you must have also been receiving some request from someone that kindly fill up this Google form or Google quiz, like that. You can create it easily, and then analyze the responses in real time. As soon as you receive the data, it will create a chart for you, so that it converts from there.
It's used for surveys.
For surveys. No, not the Google form is used for survey, and
Yeah.
then Google quiz is for examination.
Examination. Yeah.
Actually, Google form, you have to create a Google form, and then you have to save it as a quiz. So that
Yes.
will become Google quiz. So here I'm showing you create a quiz with Google Forms. So Google Form is the first step. You have to create and then save it as a, say, like open a Google Form. Let me show it to you. It's very easy. So like blank or assessment or contact or RSVP, party invite. And then here you can say go to the settings and make this as a quiz. So if you can, the difference is that in normal Google form there are no marks, but when you convert it into Google quiz, immediately see point 0, it has appeared here. If I switch it off, it disappears. So now it is asking me that marks, 100 marks, 10 marks, and something for it. So this is the most easy one, which is here. Then the next item in our here are the various kind of social media applications which we use for offering the content. And there are various interesting one. One is called as Padlet. I suggest that if you have not used it, use it. This is okay. I think will it open? Like okay. Okay. I think this one I can show it to you because I created it for a university in Chennai in the year 2000. Let me see if somebody has added. I think it created. So this I created. You can see my name here 3 years ago for the teachers. This is very wonderful for sharing information, asking information from people and checking them. So like this was in JNTK. I want to show you in which I gathered the data from my participants. Perhaps yeah, here, see, this is the Padlet. It is in Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University, Kakinada. So I asked all my participants that share some information about you, and these are their selfies. Here you can see this person took selfie with me. These are other. I completed all the tasks with the resource. So this has become a collage. You can see the work of everyone. So people, they can upload the graphics, they can upload their own images, they can upload their own document. Like Anita Rani, she has uploaded her document on it. This is a document which is by Dr. Seema Bhayana, or you can type it similarly. So Seema Bhayana here, she has taken a screenshot of her mobile screen. It was in Rohtak on 2019. All these things. So this platform is called as Padlet.
Does this have any timing sort of? It stays for.
ये देखो आप 2019 से तो अभी तक it is still there on the internet when I created it, and it's a free platform. You can go to Padlet, this one here, and you need to create your sign up, and after that you can create, and you can use your mobile phone also. You can install the app. It's very interesting. You can create timelines, you can create organizational chart, you can create your presentation, you can have photo album, you can create a video playlist, you can share the files, like that. So many things it offers.
Very nice.
And they are very colorful. They look so nice when you use them. So this is Padlet. And then another interesting is Edmodo. EDMODO, edmodo.com. So here say it is free cuts of no, I think that site has gone. Okay, perhaps they have changed the website name. Okay, I'll show you another one. It is called as Flip Grid. So it is a video discussion sharing app free from Microsoft. So make learning fun and engaging. Flip is free app from Microsoft where educators create safe online groups for students to express their ideas asynchronously in short video, text, or audio messages. And you can see here how you can create, and you can use your mobile phone as well, in which create a group of your students, ask them and post a topic, and then ask the students that, okay, now do your work. This is all how it is being used. 84 teachers say their students were more engaged after using this app. If you can think it, you can flip it. Express yourself on the flip. We are for everyone. Educators, organizations, community builders, like that.
I think now the traditional classroom system has changed into this.
Many, I know many schools where they use
schools
this kind
may
of
now go for this, like rather than the Blackboard.
Because you see, almost every teacher uses WhatsApp.
Right.
Every teacher, I think I have not seen any teacher who is not using WhatsApp. So they create their own groups, then students create their own groups among themselves, where they share assignments with each other and something like that. So these are the things which are used. So the advantage of them that these kind of tools, they enable collaborative learning for
Right.
discussion, file sharing, group projects, and not only that, many people they use Twitter or Facebook for educational purposes. Also, they have become those things. And then let us have a look on certain mobile apps for means gamified learning experience. And I think you told me on that day that you have used it,
Sorry,
Duolingo. This is an app which is used for gamified learning experience.
Duolingo.
In
Yeah.
one of our class, I think I don't know whether Aarti told me or some student was present. They said that I have used this app. This is very good. If you have not used it, try. It is free app, and this is kids there to learn any another language. You can see many language it supports: Spanish, French, German, Italian, Portuguese, Dutch. Even one of the teacher in South India, she
Mm-hmm.
told me she is using this app to learn Hindi.
Acha.
Yeah, she is so she Czech,
Interesting.
Danish, Finnish, Irish, Scottish,
Sir, I
Hebrew.
can use it. Okay, sir, to learn Hindi.
Yeah, yes. You see here it is Hindi is here.
Mr. Sivdasan, you speak very well Hindi.
I could thoda
and,
man.
and you can install it on your mobile phone. Means you can use either computer, but mobile is also easy. And this is a gamified application.
Right.
Means here you can say, okay, Bangla is also there,
I can't
and
even write, but I
Hindi,
can speak.
Hindi is there, and I think this may be Thai or something.
I want to learn Japanese.
Yes. Actually, this is number one world mobile app for learning additional language. और इसके अंदर जैसे आपको ये the graphics you are seeing here in the left, it uses those game elements like rewards.
They look very interactive.
Students they love it
I'm
because
sure the children may love this
yes,
visual
the
presentation.
soft colors and then the kind of characters, the animations, and then it speaks. It will give you the text and then the voice, so you can create improve your
No wonder the kids are glued on to the mobile these days.
that's why those things. And then very popular among school teachers is the Khan Academy. So free online courses, lessons, practice things,
Khan
those things.
Academy.
Yeah, many you see, it has become number one website for school education.
Really? Is it
Yes.
India based?
No. It was created by Salman Khan, who is a
Really?
हमारा वाला भाई.
Oh, interesting.
नहीं वो नहीं है. This is Salman Khan. He is a Bangladeshi, but he is a United means U.S. citizen now. He is in United States.
Okay.
Khan Academy.
Let me show you his birth name. He calls himself as Sal Khan in short,
I see.
and Khan ACAD.
He's an academician?
He was a teacher. He is the person who created Khan Academy, and
Nice.
that is a very interesting story. He says that once his niece came to him,
Huh.
requesting him that Chacha ji, can you explain this mathematics puzzle to me?
Huh.
So he explained it to her using very simple thing on a piece of paper here. But then he says that he thought that if she is facing this problem, there may be other students also who is having same problem.
Right.
Then what can I do for them? So what he did, he wrote that problem on a paper and using his camera on the top, like from the sky, that drone kind of photography. एक हाथ से उन्होंने he hold his camera with one hand, and on another hand he solved that problem on a piece of paper and then uploaded it on the internet. And that was liked by people. They requested him that, sir, please, can you do something more like this on other problems? And that got him the idea. And then he started this Khan Academy
Very
using
interesting.
and till then
I
nobody knew
hope to
him.
see your also
No.
website like this very soon.
The interesting thing is coming there. Till then, nobody knew him. He was
Sir, I
simple.
was just proposing that hope to see one of your website like this very soon.
Yes, I have my YouTube channel. There are around
Okay.
600 subscribers. So if you
Wow.
join, then I will have two
Interesting.
more subscribers.
Interesting. Definitely I'll
Yeah,
go through it. Yeah.
I'll share the link. So
Yes.
what happened then? See, listen, interesting thing.
G.
Till then, when he was working, nobody knew him. He was just an obscure Salman Khan, Sal Khan, something like that.
Hmm.
But then what happened? One day, Bill Gates visited his website
Oh.
and he became interested. And then he talked to him and he said that I will support you. After that, everybody started, when Bill Gates recommends, then everybody listens.
Right.
That was the turning point in his life.
Oh.
And nowadays, he has used gone artificial intelligence things in his website, many things there. Let me.
Happy-go-lucky guy.
Yes, yes. Okay. That was an interesting thing. Uh, Sal Khan network. Let us see this one. What it says. Net worth. Ah,
My
300
God,
billion.
$310 million
See?
business.
Yes,
Forbes,
yes. Khan Academy.
TED Talks and all that.
The creator of Khan Academy, Sal Khan, his full name is Salman Khan, but he has made it.
He's from
Here you see
Pakistan.
his full name. Salman Amin Khan is an American citizen born to a Muslim Bengali parents. He was from Bangladesh. Before
Yeah.
moving to US, highly prestigious in Pakistan, his grandfather was the Speaker of National Assembly of Pakistan. He grew up in Louisiana and
Fluent.
like South Asian immigrants, he greatly valued his education. So here then his story goes somewhere that story will also be it is the beginning. Basically started in 2004, started his tutoring his cousin Nadia over Yahoo Doodle. That's why how it started. And then he used YouTube to explain basic concepts. And then when Microsoft creator Bill Gates, I think it will be somewhere. You see here is
Right.
Khan reached immeasurable success by normalizing online platform. He was invited personally by Bill Gates to do a
For
TED
the
talk.
TED Talk. Okay.
और फिर जब दुनिया का richest person बिल गेट्स आपको बुलाए, then the people they take note.
Right.
This is how these things. But really means this Khan
Very,
Academy
very
platform.
more, very inspirational.
Yes, and the Khan Academy content is very good. Means it is really worth it. The kind of success he has achieved it, it's really worth it.
Great information, sir. Thank you so much.
Yes. And let me see if I can search my okay here. This is my YouTube channel. You'll find many of the my webinars which I have conducted a recording of them. So to learn about more tools, you can one here and this channel. I have my customized name, but I think even
Okay.
if you learn, there are so many tabs to system and platforms. Tabs. If you click on this link I have just not posted, you can see the.
Okay, so let me check here.
So I think I, this is for today. That's it.
Ah, subscribe.
And then, so if there are any questions regarding these content delivery tools, there we can discuss the, normally.
So this is very interesting. I would see the artificial intelligence tool.
Yes, yes, I conducted a,
That is nice.
okay, this reminds me, we are having, okay, tomorrow we are having our concluding ceremony. We are conducting a faculty development program for All India teachers
Okay.
in association with Lakshmi Bai College under Delhi University. It will start
Okay.
at around 2:30. So if you can send me a WhatsApp message, then I can share the Google Meet link. You can join it.
Right. That would
These
be
are the
nice.
last 2 days, today and tomorrow. Tomorrow it will be the concluding ceremony. So today
Okay.
we have some tools discussing on
So,
cybersecurity.
sir, tomorrow we are having the usual class from 11, after
Huh,
which 2:30 you're suggesting this one, Lakshmi Bai College.
yeah, that is means for your own personal
Right,
gain.
right, 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 right.
You can
Thank you
join.
so much. Yeah.
Hmm? So please
Uh,
send me the WhatsApp message because it is
and
on
I
my.
guess Aarti has received, sir, the material, the hard copy material, study material.
Okay,
I haven't. She just showed me she has received it.
okay,
I
very
hope
good.
people consider me also somewhere.
I requested Dr. Bhanu Pratap
Ji,
to solve your cases. So I hope that something will be done very soon.
thank you so much. Really appreciate.
Mm, mm, mm.
I hope
Uh,
I should not be left out.
okay, otherwise, what we, Mohanji, can you stop the recording now because our means, presentation is over? Then we can discuss the other matters. It should not go into the recording. Pyali, can you do one thing? Can we speak on the phone later on?
Yes, sir.
And
I will
I'll
connect with you on the phone, sir.
I'll give you some suggestion regarding your study material issue.
Yes,
Okay, so that
sir, for the lovely session, sir.
I will do something about it.
Okay,
So
sir.
Shivdasan ji, thank you
Yeah,
so much for joining. It is good to see you regularly now,
I
and
will.
I hope that for
Okay, sir.
the
Thank you
next,
for your class. And
yeah, for the next two classes also, I look forward to presence of you three. I'm including Aarti as well. So there. Tomorrow we are going to see means some other learning management system and some other tools which are used for interactive content delivery. And then the last will be on portfolio creation. That is also very important. Okay, so
Thank you, sir.
thank you,
Thank you.
sir.
take care. Have a great weekend.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Bye then.
Okay, bye bye,
Same
sir.
to you, sir.
Yeah, you
Thank you.
both can log out. I will request our Chandigarh friends to stop recording.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye. So, Mohanji, if you are hearing me, please stop recording. And thank you so much for your help. And see you tomorrow. Okay? Bye.